So I bought a Surker 6-in-1 hair and beard trimmer, model SK-313. This is the unboxing. It comes in a box. It's 100% body washable, triple floating heads for closer shaving, durable ring blades, for comfort and protection. USB charging. Comes in a nice box. There's my other box that it came in, made in China. So if I'm going to be completely honest with this unboxing, I already opened it and then decided to do the video, so I packed it back in again. So it comes in this plastic thing, this plastic tray that I guess is convenient that you can store in your drawer. It has attachments. We'll take a look at this. It has an attachment for trimming your beard or sideburns. It has an attachment for scrubbing your face. It has an attachment to cut your nose hairs out. This is the actual trimmer. Has a little LED for available power, 96%. It runs just like a Norelco type razor. The heads pop open like this for easy cleaning. Looks like it's probably going to be needed to clean every single time I use it. Underneath it comes with a little cleaning kit and a thing to cover the blade guard. It comes with another attachment for doing your sideburns. It comes with a scalp massage attachment. And it comes with trimmers so that you can pick how long you want your beard and or mustache to be. And it comes with a USB charging cable that looks proprietary, so I better not break it or lose it. And that's it. I'm going to go shave my head and I will let you know how it works.